Friends, request you to subscribe my YouTube channel Express Naukri. Sudeep Pharma, a global leader in pharmaceutical, was established in 1989. Sudeep Pharma is recognized as India's largest manufacturer of various mineral-based pharmaceutical excipients and food fortificants. Sudeep Pharma having multiple vacancies, so let's discuss it. 1. Position is boiler operator. Total experience required 3 to 5 years. Qualification required ITI certificate of boiler operation class 2 is required. Skills required: operation and maintenance of boiler and softener, monitor and maintain boiler, repair boiler machinery, record daily readings, maintain cleanliness. 2. Position is utility operator. Total experience required 3 to 5 years. Qualification required ITI certificate. Skills required: operation and maintenance of water treatment plant like RO, pump house, maintenance of air compressor, operation of pre-treatment plant, cleaning of water storage tank. 3. Position is packing supervisor. Total experience required 2 to 5 years. Qualification required ITI AOCP or 12th pass. Skills required: handling of all packing activity. 4. Position as sales coordinator, back office. Total experience required minimum 2 years. Qualification required BCom or MCom or MBA in marketing. Skills required: basic knowledge of Excel, Word and email. Have experience of sales coordination, sampling, sales order, can punch in SAP. 5. Position as executive marketing. Total experience required minimum 1 year. Qualification required MBA in marketing. Skills required: day-to-day coordination with internal department, payment follow-up, customer coordination, PO follow-up, and other sales-related activity like PL preparation, documents preparation, etc. 6. Position as executive account. Total experience required 1 to 2 years. Qualification required BCom or MCom. Skills required: daily cash and bank update entries, bank reconciliation. If you meet the requirements, please share your latest CV to given email address. If you like this video, request you to like, share this video. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. Thank you. Bye bye.